Here are my top 4 things to give your bird in no particular order.
Somewhere to land, number 1.
First up is toys. Birds need toys to play with. It keeps them busy, and a busy bird is a happy bird. This will keep them from screaming or even plucking their own feathers out of boredom. Next is healthy food, like this one. Most people don't know that birds should actually eat vegetables. Feeding healthy food is very important. It makes sure your bird is healthy, and that it doesn't have to constantly visit the vet. Next is a bird bath. In the wild, Rain would be providing our birds with baths, but in our care, we have to do it. Make sure you never use water as punishment to your bird. It should be fun and they should want to bathe. Last on my list is love. Every animal deserves to be loved. You can show your bird love in different ways, from providing things they will enjoy to spending time with them. That's all for today. Bye, guys!